unboxing an iPhone 12 Pro. Da-da-da. You got the charger right here. Can I take this charger? Just joking. Apple sticker. There's a SIM. And that's it. Look, wait, what color did you get? I think that might be midnight green. Graphite. It's square edition. You got the round edition. Just joking. This is the iPhone 5 in disguise. Joking. This is actually the iPhone 12. So here's the box. Kind of looks the same from last year, but smaller. And that's a little bit different. Yeah, there's not much to say. Usually YouTubers would make like a 5,000-minute video just unboxing the iPhone 12. That's it for today. See you all next time. Goodbye.